How to install. Remove the instrument and all accessories. Unscrew the screws from the bracket slot on the instrument. Bracket bar stuck in bracket slot. Align the screw holes and secure with screws. Remove the screws on the bracket rod. Align the metal piece with the screw holes on the bracket rod, and tighten the screws to secure it. Remove the screws from the back of the bracket disc. Align the screw holes on the metal piece. Align the screw holes on the metal piece. The other hand needs to gently press the holder plate, then screw in the diagonal screws, and finally screw the remaining 2 screw holes. Remove the screws on the side of the instrument. Align the bracket with the screw holes, and secure it with a screw. The other side of the bracket mounts the same way. Connecting the EMS handle. Place handle 1, 1, 2, 2 on bracket. The connector is attached to the corresponding socket on the back. Connection of handles 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, respectively. Connecting the RF handle. 6 square-shaped handles are flush-mounted handles, connected to handle sockets 1-6 respectively. These 2 grips are handheld, flat-pointing grips, connected to handle sockets number 7 and number 8, respectively. This is a body contouring handle, connects to handle socket number 9. This is a face grip, connects to the number 10 handle socket, connecting 2 negative tabs. Plug in the power cord. RF and EMS function interface. Flat fixed handle. Handheld flat patch fixed point handle. Body contouring grips and facial grips. lights up the handle in use in yellow. There is a number and a real-time temperature on the receiver. When you tap Start, all handles that are lit in yellow begin to work. Flat fixed handles require a gel patch for use. Apply the gel patch where the handle needs to be placed according to the operation site. Smooth to fit the skin. Gel patches need to be placed under each handle. Then place the handle on the gel patch. Depending on the size of the part, choose 4-6 handles. After placing the handle on the operating area, wrap the handle with a soft rubber fixing pad to secure it. Ensure that each handle makes full contact against the skin. Select handle. Select handle. Tap Start. Apply gel for use. Handle flashes blue when in use. Tap Start. Select gender. Select age. Selection of fat thickness. Auto mode. Adjust the energy and operating mode of the corresponding handles in turn. Time adjustment. The EMS gel patch needs to be smoothed over the operation site before the operation. Apply the EMS handle tightly to the gel patch without gaps. The handle can be secured by wrapping it with a soft rubber retaining pad. Remove the handle when time is up. Gently remove the gel patch. Manual mode. Lights up blue to indicate that the frequency is selected. Adjust the energy of the corresponding handle in turn. The RF function and the EMS function can work together or separately. Clean the handle with a damp towel and sterilize it with 75% alcohol cotton pads for next use.